मेरे को जेल में डाल दिया, मनीष सिसोदिया को जेल में डाल दिया, सतेंद्र जैन को जेल में डाल दिया, संजय सिंह को जेल में डाल दिया, आज मेरे पीए को जेल में डाल दिया। अब ये कह रहे हैं राघव चड्ढा अभी लंदन से लौटे हैं, कह रहे हैं राघव चड्ढा को भी जेल में डालेंगे। थोड़े दिन में कह रहे हैं सौरभ भारद्वाज को भी जेल में डालेंगे, आतिशी को भी जेल में डालेंगे। मैं ये सोच रहा था कि ये हम सब लोगों को जेल में क्यों डालना चाहते हैं, हमारा कसूर क्या है? हमारा कसूर यह है कि हमने दिल्ली के अंदर गरीब बच्चों के लिए अच्छी शिक्षा का इंतजाम किया, सरकारी स्कूल शानदार बनाए, ये नहीं बना सकते, इसलिए ये सरकारी स्कूल दिल्ली के रोकना चाहते हैं। हमारा कसूर ये है कि हमने दिल्ली के अंदर मोहल्ला क्लिनिक बनाए, सरकारी अस्पताल बनाए, लोगों के लिए फ्री दवाई का इंतजाम किया, अच्छे इलाज का इंतजाम किया, ये नहीं कर पा रहे, इसीलिए दिल्ली के अस्पतालों को और मोहल्ला क्लिनिक को और इलाज को रोकना चाहते हैं। हमारा कसूर ये है कि पहले दिल्ली में 10-10 घंटे बिजली के पावर कट लगते थे, हमने 24 घंटे बिजली कर दी, ये उस बिजली को रोकना चाहते हैं। हमारा कसूर ये है कि हमने दिल्ली वालों की बिजली फ्री कर दी, ये फ्री बिजली बंद करना चाहते हैं। इन लोगों के बस की बात नहीं है फ्री बिजली करना, ये हमारा कसूर है। मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी को बोलना चाहता हूं, प्रधानमंत्री जी आप ये जेल जेल का खेल खेल रहे हो, कभी एक को जेल में डालते हो, कभी मनीष सिसोदिया को, कभी अरविंद केजरीवाल को, कभी संजय सिंह को। कल मैं 12 बजे अपने सभी बड़े नेताओं के साथ, एमएलएज, एमपीज, सबके साथ 12 बजे बीजेपी हेडक्वार्टर आ रहा हूं। जिस जिस को आप जेल में डालना चाहते हो आप जेल में डाल लो, एक साथ जेल में डाल दो। आपको लगता है कि आप आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को जेल में डाल के आम आदमी पार्टी को क्रश कर दोगे? ऐसे आम आदमी पार्टी क्रश नहीं होने वाली, आप एक बार डाल के देख लो। आम आदमी पार्टी एक विचार है जो पूरे देश के अंदर लोगों के दिल में चला गया है। जितने आप आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं को डालोगे जेल में, उससे 100 गुना नेता इस ये देश पैदा करेगा। कल 12 बजे मैं अपने सभी नेताओं के साथ बीजेपी हेडक्वार्टर आ रहा हूं। जिसको आपको जेल में डालना आप जेल में डाल दो।
A very brief press conference by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, he has claimed that the Aam Aadmi Party is being targeted. He says, and I quote, that we are victims of political vendetta, and that the only mistake of the Aam Aadmi Party is that they have been working for the welfare of the people of Delhi, and that is something that the BJP cannot digest. In fact, he also went on to say, and this is an important one, he has said that he, along with all the party members, all the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, will be reaching the BJP headquarters at 12 p.m, daring the BJP and the Prime Minister of then putting all those party leaders into jail. He has accused the BJP of crushing the Aam Aadmi Party. So that's the latest from the Chief Minister. Yash is joining us for the very latest. Yash, it's interesting that ever since this controversy broke out, the Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal have been trading bitter barbs between each other, but now the Chief Minister himself addressing the press conference, accusing the BJP of political vendetta and throwing a dare that he's going to be there at the BJP headquarters at 12 p.m. and asking the BJP to take action whatever they like.
Well, absolutely. This is an open dare which has been given by Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, in this very case, 12 p.m. is the time he has said he, along with all the leaders, will be moving to the BJP headquarters here in the national capital. This only means one thing, that now the entire Aam Aadmi Party actually feels push aside a wall, because now what has happened is that, in fact, the Arvind Kejriwal is towing the same line which he has taken on multiple occasions, how the agencies have been misused against them. In fact, he this time around also went on to say one thing, that a couple of leaders are already in the jail. I will be also going back to jail, and other leaders including Saurabh Bhardwaj, Raghav Chadha. In fact, his PA is the latest in the line to get arrested by the Delhi police. So this is the line which Arvind Kejriwal is towing. He is giving out a very clear message that this is just a political vindication which is happening. In fact, let's be very categorical in this sense, that he has not said anything related to the Swati Maliwal case. He has just went on to say how arrests are being made in this case, and how his entire political party will be actually dismantled, so that the BJP could actually gain politically from this entire case.
Well, he may not have said anything on this Swati Maliwal assault case, but his senior leaders have said. Atishi, in fact, accusing Swati Maliwal of being hand in glove with the BJP. Anshul joins us now for the latest. Anshul, we are hearing the kind of charges and counter charges both from the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. But let's shift our focus now to the investigations. Now that Bibhav Kumar has been arrested, what next? Okay, Anshul, we can't hear you. We'll just fix your audio. But we just heard the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal addressing the press conference. He, in fact, has dared the BJP. He has said that tomorrow at 12 in the afternoon, he, along with all of his party members, will reach the BJP headquarters. He's even asked the BJP to take whatever action. In fact, he claims that the party is being targeted unnecessarily and that he is questioning the intent of the BJP, accusing them of crushing the Aam Aadmi Party by putting all the senior ministers and all the leaders behind bars. Anshul is back with us. Anshul, let's just shift our focus to the investigations. Now that the former personal secretary of Arvind Kejriwal is behind bars, he is in police custody. What next?
So yes, Bibhav Kumar will now be presented in front of the 30 Hazari court. It is likely that that he will be presented in front of the duty magistrate probably tomorrow, because officially the time of arrest has shown that by the police is of 4:15 p.m. and now the police has at least 24 hours before he should be presented in front of a magistrate, and it is then that the police will seek his custody. Once the custody is granted of Bibhav Kumar to the Delhi police, then his 164 statements will be recorded yet again in front of a magistrate, and once that statement is recorded, then the Delhi police will start verifying and fact-checking his statements with the sequence of events. Remember, so the investigation that has happened till now, it has happened based on the complaint that was given by Swati Maliwal, and this was just one side of the story. Now Bibhav will tell the police about his side of the story, and then the investigation will happen to fact-check Bibhav's statement, and then eventually the real truth will come out. But definitely the manner in which Bibhav Kumar has been arrested from the CM residence yet again definitely puts a lot of questions on his proximity with the Chief Minister, even when such serious charges have been levelled against him.
Absolutely. Just stay on with me. In fact, Akash got a chance to get us this report from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence. In fact, he had left his residence to address that press conference wherein he said that it's the BJP that is trying to crush the Aam Aadmi Party, as this party has been only working for the welfare of the people of Delhi and has a strong future. Let's just play out that sequence when Arvind Kejriwal was leaving his residence.
And bustle throughout the day, and the arrest of PA Bibhav Kumar. There you see the visuals of CM Arvind Kejriwal leaving from his house for his scheduled election rally that is in West Delhi. We have been given to understand that there was a high-level meeting that was happening at CM's residence, where in fact senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, including Gopal Rai and Saurabh Bhardwaj, were very much present. And at around 5 p.m, CM Arvind Kejriwal addressed a press conference where he said that tomorrow at around 12 p.m, he will be visiting BJP headquarters and in fact will be asking BJP leaders to arrest them all at once. He says that Aam Aadmi Party is a thought, and that's the reason more leaders you will arrest, more will emerge. With camperson Ramashankar, this is Akash Sharma for CNN News 18.
Okay, Arvind Kejriwal addressing a press conference there and stating that tomorrow at 12 in the afternoon, he, along with all of the other senior party leaders, will reach the BJP headquarters. He has accused the BJP in the past as well of harassment. He, in fact, claims that the Aam Aadmi Party is a victim of BJP's political vendetta. Arvinder Singh Lovely, in fact, joins us. Mr. Lovely, thank you so much for speaking to us on the broadcast. We just heard Mr. Kejriwal throwing this dare, saying that tomorrow at 12 in the afternoon, he, along with all of the party leaders, will reach the BJP headquarters. In fact, he is saying that we will see what happens, and if the BJP wants to go ahead and arrest anyone, then just go ahead and do it. So, in fact, he claims that it's the BJP that has orchestrated this entire Swati Maliwal alleged assault case.
But first of all, I think it's very shameful. Rather than concentrating on what has happened.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.